Hello, this is Andy. This is a 1998 Honda Civic LX. Had a problem with it, hard to start. It started about a month ago where it was just getting harder and harder to start. Anyway, after doing some research, they suggested changing the engine coolant temperature sensor. So I want to show you that it's a quick change and not to confuse it with the switch. So here is the old engine coolant temperature sensor, and apparently it sends information to the ECU, the electronic control unit, to give it status about the engine, and that is why it's hard to start if the sensor is going bad. The location of the sensor, get out of the sun here if I can, is right here. Let's do it this way. Sorry about that. This is the location of the sensor in front. Okay, let me try it this way. Left-handed. So it's in front. This is 17 millimeters. It's really easy to take off. Just take the cap off, just press on the base of the cap, and you should be able to remove it. Pressing on right there on the base of the cap to remove it. It's 17 millimeters, and ooh, the engine's a little hot here. Well, I'll put that back on when I'm done. It's 17 millimeters. You'll lose a little bit of fluid. There might be some confusion because you'll see videos telling you to change this one, this sensor right here. Again, the sun might be in the way here. See if that's a little bit better. This one. This is the engine coolant temperature switch. That is a different sensor. I believe it's for the fan. The one in the rear of the engine is this one, the engine coolant temperature switch. And that is the one you don't want to change if you're having an issue starting it. Looking at the Honda manual, here is the engine coolant temperature sensor right there, and then in the back is the switch. By the way, if you do need to change this one, it's pretty easy. You might have to move the hose back just a little bit. It's 24 millimeters. Take off the cap the same way and take it off, and when you replace it, you're going to lose a little bit of coolant. You know, a few ounces on either one of these. It's not bad. You don't have to drain the whole coolant system to make the change. Just be ready to pop the new one in place. Anyway, this has made the vehicle start much better. Again, 1998 Honda Civic LX. It's got 260, I think 3,000 or 267,000 miles. At one point I had to take the head milled because it had overheated at one point, and put in a new head gasket, had it milled, and it's been running great since then. So anyway, again, it's just this one right here. I bought this one, or the newer version of this one, on Amazon for like 11 bucks. Got it shipped the next day, and so far so good. And I will remember to reattach this. Good luck.